Hi everyone, I am Manoharan. In our last class, we have learned about purpose of marking media, name the types of marking media and selection of correct marking media for different applications. I hope you all understand that. Today we are going to learn about surface plates. In this topic, we are going to learn about state the necessity of surface plate, state the material of the surface plate, state the specification of the surface plate. Let us start with surface plates, their necessity. When accurate dimensional features are to be marked, it is essential to have a datum plane with a perfectly flat surface. Marking using datum surfaces which are not perfectly flat will result in dimensional inaccuracies as shown in the figure. The most widely used datum surfaces in machine shop work are the surface plates and the marking plates. Next topic, we are going to learn about materials and the construction of surface plate. The surface plates are generally made of good quality cast iron which are stress relieved to prevent distortion. The work surface is machined and scraped. The underside is heavily ribbed to provide rigidity. For the purpose of steadiness and convenience in leveling, a 3-point suspension is given as shown in the figure. Smaller surface plates are placed on benches while the larger surface plates are placed on stands. Other materials used for surface plates. Granite is also used for manufacturing surface plates. Granite is a dense and stable material. Surface plates made of granite retain their accuracy even if the surface is scratched. Burrs are not formed on these surfaces. Classification and uses. Surface plates are used in machine shop work are available in 3 grades, grade 1, 2 and 3. The grade 1 surface plate is more acceptable than other 2 grades. Next, we are going to learn about specification of the surface plate. Cast iron surface plates are designated by the length, breadth, grade and the Indian standard number. Example, cast iron surface plate 2000 into 1000 grade 1 IS 2285. Care and maintenance. Clean the surface plate before and after use. Do not keep job on the surface table. Don't keep any cutting tools on the table. I hope now you all clear understanding of necessity of surface plate, material of surface plate, specification of the surface plate. Thank you for watching this video. See you all in our next class. Have a good day.